Good morning everyone. Today we are diving into an essential topic, data science ethics. Why do you think ethics is important in data science?
Is it because we use people's data, and we must protect it?
Yes, privacy is a major concern, but there's more. Who can think of other ethical challenges?
Bias. If the data is biased, the model's results will also be biased.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Imagine an AI system for hiring trained on historical data where most employees were men. What happens?
Women might get rejected unfairly, and some qualified candidates could be overlooked because the system favors certain patterns.
Exactly. That's why fairness is critical. Now, what about transparency? Why is that important?
So people understand how the model makes decisions.
Yes, and accountability is equally important. If an algorithm causes harm, someone has to take responsibility. Imagine a health app predicts disease risk. What ethical concerns might arise?
Data could be shared without permission, and incorrect predictions could scare someone or affect insurance eligibility.
Excellent points. Ethics directly affects people's lives. Let me ask you all, if you were designing a credit scoring model, what steps would you take to ensure it's ethical?
I would check the data for bias, like making sure it doesn't unfairly penalize certain groups and make sure personal financial data is secure and confidential.
Perfect. You are thinking like responsible data scientists. Accuracy matters, but ethics ensures our models help rather than harm people. Remember the 4 pillars: privacy, fairness, transparency, accountability. Always keep these in mind. Thank you everyone.
That class really made me think. I always believed being a good data scientist is just about building accurate models.
Same here, but now I see ethics is equally important. Biased data can ruin someone's chance at a job or a loan.
And privacy too. We need consent and strong protections. Imagine if a company leaks health or financial data, it could destroy trust and affect lives.
And transparency matters. People should know how decisions are made so they can question them if something goes wrong.
Accountability is key too. Someone has to take responsibility if the model causes harm. Otherwise, it's chaos.
Ethics really is the foundation of data science. Without it, even a brilliant algorithm can be dangerous.
The teacher's example about biased hiring AI really stuck with me. It's easy to forget that behind every data point is a human life.
Exactly. Accuracy might make a model smart, but ethics makes it trustworthy. We should always ask ourselves, is this fair? Is it transparent?
Are we protecting privacy? Can we be held accountable?
And even small decisions matter. Choosing which features to include in a model can introduce subtle biases if we're not careful.
So basically, a good data scientist is ethical first, accurate second.